Hey everybody, it's Jennifer, and I wanted to make a quick video to promote my Stamp-A-Stack clubs. So these are clubs for card makers, and it is a stack of cards. So you're going to make 8 cards, 4 designs, 2 of each, every month. And I want to tell you a little bit more about these clubs. So first of all, my clubs are discounted. You save $2 a month on your club membership price over buying the class individually. And it is a subscription club, which you'll sign up through my link, which of course I will drop in this video description for you. And you can cancel that subscription at any time. So after 6 consecutive months, you get a gift from me, but that's not required to stay 6 months. Now I have people who've been in since the very beginning. Thank you very much, club members. And people who've come and dropped and come back and dropped and come back. That's all fine. And some that have just tried it out and not come back, of course. So whatever you want to do is fine. You receive occasional gifts from me during the club sometimes. And then after 6 consecutive months of membership, you get a gift from me. It includes over $20 in merchandise each time. And we cut, die cut, punch, and emboss everything possible with the exception of your included designer paper. You also get a detailed PDF tutorial. So let's look at a couple of my past clubs. This is the one from July 2025. It says $40 because that is the non-club member price. This is $38 for club members. Again, you're getting over 20 in merch. It's about $24 or more each month value. So this one had a roll of ribbon, a partial, yeah, that's a little bit of each size. I'm like, what is this? Pearls, dimensionals, half a pack of designer paper, and then here is what the class packet looks like. So as you can see, we cut, die cut, punch, and emboss everything possible for you. If you can see that paper's embossed there. And all of the cards are here. They're packaged in like in order, meaning card pieces, the bases for those card pieces, the bases for those cards. So it's very organized and easy to understand what you need to do to make your projects. And then, so that was July. This is the one from last month in August, this next one. And on that one, we used the bauble blooms. We did Christmas cards. And so just to show you how my instructions are, PDF, they are pretty detailed. Sometimes I include pictures like this if those are needed, and step by step with measurements. And you do cut your own designer paper as mentioned, so of course those measurements will be in here as well. And then these are the cards we made in August 2025. We made 2 of each, and here's what they look like. Now you do want to own the bundle in most cases because a lot of times you'll stamp first and then die cut out, like the case in this card. This is like a Z fold card there on that one, just to show you that little pretty guy. And again, bauble blooms. And then here is the packet again. So you got your designer paper, embellishment, twine, and then the packet, cut, die cut, punched, embossed, ready to assemble. So those are a couple of past class kits. This month in September, I will show you what we're going to be using in my little mini catalog here in just a second. And this is one of my past club gifts. So a half pack of designer paper with several sheets of coordinating card base cardstock pre-cut for you. So that was a Stamp-A-Stack club member gift. I also have other clubs like scrapbook and wall art, but you know, side note. You can join the club right now, and in September, you can join by September 14th, 2025. That's your deadline. This is the new mini catalog that started September 3rd, and this is what, nope, that's the paper. This is what we'll be using. It looks just like that, but it's this one. It is the Sweet Collection Traditions of Christmas. So we will be using these 2 bundles to make some gorgeous Christmas cards. This paper is beautiful. It's got gold foil, and we'll make 8 cards, 4 designs, 2 of each. So I hope you'll join the club. Give it a try. You can cancel at any time, but if you stick around, you'll get some gifts and you'll get perks along the way. If you have any questions, just comment below or reach out to me. I'll put all my contact stuff in the video description, but my email is jennifer@jennifercotton.com. And I will hopefully also see you on my weekly live videos here at 9 a.m. Central on Thursdays. Bye!